How to log out of Among Us account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you if we can log out of Among Us account or not. So first thing, just head over to Among Us application and make sure you are logged into your account. And as you can see, I'm inside my Among Us application game over here, and when I click on this my account option and tap on this account, you can see there is no any option to directly log out or sign out from your Among Us account. So if you are using iOS, there might be available option to directly log out from your account, but there is no any option to directly log out in case of Android or PC if you are using on your PC. So as you can see, when I click on this manage account, you can actually merge your account, other accounts in this, but you cannot directly log out. So in this case, the only option we have is just directly uninstall your application, and it will ask you to re-enter your login details, that is your Gmail account. So in that case, you just have to switch your account and change it to different account, just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.